Hey bros, welcome back to the driveway. It's Gilbert once again with another one, hidden driveway. Of course, you saw the time lapse in the beginning. Now I got some fresh rotors, brakes, brake pads, fresh from Wuhan, China. So we're getting the aftermarket Chinese versions of like Stop Tech and stuff. Well, I don't know if Brembo's bigger brake pads and rotors, but yeah, we got the Wuhan special, with or without the coronavirus. I don't know. I mean, we'll have to see. Maybe they're in the brake pads, but I mean, these just look like your typical cheapy brake pads. Nothing special about them. Probably got asbestos or something in them to help it stop faster, harder, quicker. And of course, you got the rear little brake pads. The little tiny things almost look like you get them from Toys R Us. But yeah, we're gonna be installing these guys in place of the original stock ones. Of course, they still got their cooling fins in the middle. And of course, they're drilled and slotted for that hot boy flavor looking. Same with the fronts. And the rears, of course, they're tiny little things. Pretty sure they're gonna be a pain in the butt to take off. At least that guy is. Fronts pop off easy. I think those have, I don't know, they have no, I don't think they have a brake pad on the inside of there. But yeah, I'm gonna slap these bad boys on. Of course, we gotta clean the rust protection or corrosion protection layer it has on it. Usually use brake clean or something like that, alcohol. So yeah, we're gonna get in there. I already got it jacked up like you saw. So yeah, I'm gonna get going, put you back on the tripod. Let's see if I don't hit any bumps. I did notice I was jacking my car up in the front. I don't know if this has anything. Kind of have a steering issue. Like I put my track bar on there a long time ago. Looks like the bolts backed out of it. Guess I didn't put enough torque on them, but no biggie. I'll just get some more bolts, slap them back in. Hopefully the still has the nuts on the inside. If not, toggle bolts. Send it. So yeah, I'll put you back on a tripod. We're gonna probably hit the rears first. I'm probably just hit one side up and then do the other side. I mean, it's pretty simple, but I'll explain it along the way for guys who don't fully understand how brakes work. I mean, I got you. All right, let me hit the rears first and see if I don't hit any problems. All right, for the rears, you're gonna need to remove this guy. It's like a shield. It's got 10 millimeter, what is it? I think there's another one back here, which that guy right there. You got 1, 2, 10 mils. Remove this guy, then you're gonna remove your caliper, which is a number 12 there. And when you remove this shield, there's another one under here. And once you take this caliper off, it'll slide off. You remove the brake pads, and you're gonna hit it with a 14, which is the caliper bracket, which is this guy. There's two on top, one on bottom, and that should have that loose. And then you also have some screws here, which these are currently not on there because they were damaged on last time. Last time I was messing with them, but I did order some more, overnighted them from Wuhan as well, along with the rotors. And I'll be putting new ones in there because I think the front ones are also missing, and then the backs might be a little jacked up. But you know, I'm replacing these because I mean they hold this on. They hold the rotor on when the caliper's off. But yeah, we'll go ahead and hit it up real quick. Now I'm gonna start with the 10 mils. Might need a wrench for that one. 10mm wrench. Yeah, this comes off like I explained earlier. Now you can see got the 12 and then the 14's back there. That guy for the bracket to slide off. I'll go ahead and buzz those off. Somehow this dude was loose. That's not good. I mean, it holds for the parking brake. So I had a little bit of meat on it. It's about to start hitting the, as you can see that this little guy right here starts rubbing into the rotor. Starts giving you that squeal. Now we get the bracket. All right. So now you got that, and if you remove these two, these two, like I didn't have, but you know, of course, it just comes right off. Now you got some brake clean. Get some brake clean and brake clean or brake parts cleaner. Give a hefty spray. Clean off the mating area with the brake pad that touches the brake pad, which is the drilled and slotted part. Give it a good clean to get that it's like an oil or a coating, so it doesn't rust in storage. Very important to do that. You're not going to start off braking very well. Basically just redo your steps. Okay, now one thing to point out, your rotor, when you're installing these guys don't point forward, they point reverse. They point to the back. So you want that one. So when it rows, it does that, not that. So yeah, you want it pointing, these things pointing back. These are the screws that we're going to be using. Beautiful. Now we're just gonna put everything back together. gonna go ahead and leave this shield off just cause I want to. So there it is. 24 minutes in on this one. I'll probably edit it down. But yeah, there she be. I'm gonna go do the other one off camera, and then the front one I'll show y'all. It's pretty much the same thing. It's just the caliper. You don't have to twist it. You don't have to twist the center part of the piston. You on the fronts, you just push them in with that tool. This one. But the rears, you just get something flat, and you just twist it counterclockwise. I mean clockwise, and then it goes in. So it gives you clearance for your stuff. But I'm gonna wrap this one up and then start the next one. $12 mil for the caliper. $17 mil for the caliper bracket. Don't do that. All done.
It's in my hand.
Alright, so we're all done. We got the guys in there already doing their little color changes, the brake pads. He's got like copper in them. I kept the original ones. And then the rears, I mean, they look good. Same as the other side. Yeah, this rim isn't perfect, but yeah, we're good. And so does this Honda Pilot's got the same setup as well. Go and slot it. They stop pretty good. Same as this side, you know, but we're talking about the Pilot, the Honda, the Integra here. All good. Suckers get hot. I took it for a drive around the block. Suckers are smoking hot. So yeah. Took me a little while. One of them did at least. So yeah, I mean, thanks for hanging with me. See you on the next one.